warm up, or are you ready?
I'm ready.
Right, just
Shake it off.
your most up face. Ready? Because
Yeah.
I'll put music over this, yeah?
Yeah.
So they ain't going to hear us talking now, honestly.
No, I've got this face.
Yeah. She a bit like. Right, should we go then?
Yes, I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing. Sold out shows for 1,000 faces.
Well, good morning. My name's Dave and welcome to my little motovlog channel. So today is a Thursday morning, which is a weird day, isn't it? But we are off to ABR today. So we bought the VIP ticket so we get there nice and early. And we're going to be spending Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday with my small little group of friends at the ABR Festival. So really looking forward to this one. Got my little tent on the back there and managed to fit most of the stuff in the panniers. I got my rucksack on as well. I was going to get a tank bag for this, but I didn't want to replace this metal ring with a crappy black plastic one, so that's not happening. Right, so I'm at the Railway Inn in Studley. There's a few of the group are coming down to meet here, hopefully, unless I got the totally wrong place. The rest of the group, well, some of them are at work, unfortunately, so they won't be coming to ABR till later on this afternoon. So what I'm going to do is meet some of the guys here. We're going to head off down together, find a nice big space to camp in, get all set up, and then take it from there. So stick around for this one. Looks like it's going to be a great weekend. Lovely weather, albeit overcast, but it's lovely and warm. I'll see you in a bit. So we got Cartwheels on his wonderful Africa Twin. We got Neil the Barber on his GS. We got Dan on his Tiger 1050 with his Tron wheels on.
No, it's Adventure Spec.
Oh, Adventure Spec. Look at this. Jeez. It's come down from Halifax way with them on. My God. But imagine that on the trails. It's going to be fantastic. This is Yum Yum in Yorkshire, by the way, Dan. And we've got Kay's in the car, because she's got to go back and pick Cameron up at some point. And we got Joe, new team member, on his wonderful phaser. He's only just had it, look at that. That's a beauty in it. Look, you don't need panniers and all that rubbish. Sorted. And we got Fasty Rides on his Super Adventure. Look at that. Sorry, we're just grouping up. And we've got Kay. Let's go. Hello.
Come on down to the ABR Festival. Terms and conditions apply.
Well, we finally made it to ABR Festival. I'll show you the camp later, but look at this. So we've got a few more team members to turn up. They should be here around probably in the next hour or so. And then Moist Decoy will be coming later on tonight. But for now, we've put everything up, tents are up, we've got our little village going on. We're in the VIP field. And we're gonna go and have a look what food's around because we're all starving. It's a great festival. We came here last year and we enjoyed it, every minute of it. It was fantastic. Everybody's really friendly here, which is great because so am I. Look at these, look, so we've got the stages where the music is and the speakers, the guest speakers who come in, teas and coffees. Then you've got all your food court. I think the food court was down there last time, and here's all the exhibitors, all their good stuff you can buy. There's all the bikes you can try out. It's fantastic. I'm in my element. I'm loving it. And I'm Dave, straight out the 90s rave scene. Well, let's go and have a look. See where the food is. It's so well organised, this venue. So well organised, this event. So credit to the organisers. Well done. Absolutely a breeze. Everything's a breeze here. Nothing's a problem. Are they having a massage? There are massages going on over there. It's called the happy ending, apparently. I don't know what that means. You have to enlighten me. I've led a sheltered life. Okay, can we say hello?
All right. Hello.
All right. I got Mrs. Carts because Mr. Carts has again buggered off.
Fucked up and leave
Well,
me. Sorry,
it's-
fluffed up and leave me. PG.
You snooze, you lose, mate.
Yeah, I got a new man now. His name's Perry.
Ginger Terry.
Perry? Yeah, jam
Oh,
sandwich,
Perry.
Miss Patterson.
Oh, Miss Patterson.
Miss Patterson, jam sandwich, please.
I would think, because we're early, we're probably the most famous people here. What do you reckon?
Oh my god.
Oh,
Well, Fasty is. He's got the biggest channel.
Your ego in that
No,
hat.
it's his ego.
And that hat's
Yeah.
massive as well.
I've just put it to one side because I forgot I'd got Fasty here.
You so neglected that, didn't you?
yeah. I've been put in my place because Fasty Rides is here.
To be fair, Cart's Wheels is nothing but Steve, so I ain't even famous.
Yeah, I've only got half a carts. So, well, a
The
third.
wheels. I'm the wheels.
Third of
Because I keep
carts.
things running.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, chicken and chips, beef burgers.
Wow, look at all this chicken and chips, southern fried,
Sausage
beef
rolls.
burgers, twists. We've got Cornish pasties. Oh, that'll do me, I think. Hawaiian. There's all kinds of stuff here. It's fantastic. We love this place.
You just released a few rounds.
Oh, we're going to get some food. See you in a bit.
A few watching.
So here we are. Here's our little village. Forgive the wind. It's very windy here because we're up on high. But we're all set up, look. Just waiting for a few more to arrive. And then we're done. Look at that. The only non-adventure bike here. Steve was going to put a sign on it saying, I identify as an adventure bike. Boom. And this is me. I haven't set everything up yet, so we've just had a walk around. Oh, what a mess. Right then, well, Scott's on his way. I think he's going to be here in a sec, so I'll go and find Scott, and then we just got to wait for Si, Moist Decoy, and then we're all together, and then we're going to have a wander. See you in a bit. Yamaha, Yamaha, Yamaha. So here I am at the ABR Festival, which this year is unreal. It's so big. I think there's about 16,000 bikes here and people. It's Saturday afternoon now. So we've had Thursday, Friday, now it's Saturday afternoon. Some of the guys have gone off to test ride some bikes. Some of the guys have been on the trails and they've loved it. And we've had an absolute ball here. Last night, Friday night, was just the funniest thing I've ever done in my life. It was brilliant. So today, we've had a chill day because we had a mental night last night. It was utterly fantastic. price of admission was worth it just for last night. And today we're just chilling around the tents. Some of the guys are, like I say, test driving some V-Stroms, I think. But I think we're going to go out for a little ride in a minute around the local area. It's beautiful around here. The sun is baking down today, but the nights have been pretty cold, so we've all been a bit dithering. But it has honestly been fantastic. So if you're not here this year and you're thinking of, you know, what festival should I do, what camping should I do, definitely come and do this one. This is the one to end all festivals. It's fantastic. The entertainment's brilliant. The food was absolutely great. Tons of food choice. Everything's really good. Grass is the right length. Very tidy, very secure. No problems whatsoever. But this is our mucky site at the minute. I didn't tidy up before I turned the camera on, so sorry about that. But this is us. So we got Joe, new group member, Joe, on his wonderful bike. Look at this. He took the baffles out his exhausts yesterday for the first time, and it sounds absolutely gorgeous, this bike does. So beautiful little phaser. Scott's come down in his Tesla, so he can camp in the back of it. It's got a camp mode on it. Ooh, camp mode. He's very camp. We got Fasty here. Then there's me. Then we got Cart's Wheels family, and we've got Neil the barber and Dan Yum Yum in Yorkshire. Got George Michael in the back of his Tesla, and there you go. And that is the beautiful Ninja. Neil's bike, GS, lovely, lovely.
That sort of thing. I like how you work out how they're
A
made.
few more bikes of ours over here. There's Cart's his Africa Twin. Here's Dan's, look. Look at this on Dan's. Have you ever seen anything like it? Got a rear tyre on the front, tractor tyre, look. And it says all the way down from up north, the vibrations and the noise that was causing gave him migraines. So he's got to do all that tomorrow. He's got to drive all the way back up with them on. And we got our Moist Decoys beautiful KTM, look. So yeah, it's been absolutely mega. We've enjoyed every minute so far. So I think we're going to go out for a little ride, like I say, in a minute, depending on what the guys are going to do. Have some fun tonight, go and see some entertainment, and that's it. Then pack up tomorrow and head off home. It's about 50 minutes for me to get home from here, so it's not far at all. Right, I'll catch you in a bit. Is that done? That's done.
No, that's not. It's
It is?
no, it's, there it is. Yeah, that's
Fasty and
done.
It's faster. Send it!
Dan probably will because we're watching. Joey as well.